This tutorial video is about the ways to remove Almoristics application. First, please subscribe to our channel to receive updates and the latest guides. Unknown program called Almoristics is a hazardous computer threat that utilizes the resources to mine cryptocurrency. As such, users may experience systems slow down or crashes during the presence of Almoristics files and process. To be able to eliminate Almoristics from the computer, please carry out the procedures in this video. First, let us proceed to automatic removal using Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner is an anti-malware, system cleaner, and anti-ransomware. It is an effective tool to get rid of harmful malware, including adwares, viruses, and unwanted programs. To download Combo Cleaner, please click the link in the description. After downloading Combo Cleaner, proceed with its installation in the same manner as you would with other programs. Make sure that it runs automatically after the installation. Combo Cleaner starts by downloading updates and then proceeds with the scan. After completing the virus scan, it will display the list of identified threats. Automatic removal of the adware, or PUP, requires the premium version of Combo Cleaner. Before we begin, make sure that you are logging in with an administrator account. To check for this, press Windows key and R on your keyboard. Then type net plwiz in the field, click OK, or press Enter on your keyboard. The User Accounts window will display. It will show if the current account is an administrator. After confirming that your account is an admin, we can now go ahead to the procedures. We will now uninstall suspicious programs. Press the Windows key plus R on the keyboard. In the Run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl. Next, arrange the programs in chronological order to see the most recently installed programs. Select the adware or a suspicious program. Click the Uninstall button to remove it from Windows. After the uninstall procedure, please close the Programs and Features window and proceed to the next step. Next, we will need to delete malicious files that Windows Security cannot delete. Go to the Windows taskbar and search for CMD. Run the command prompt as an administrator. To remove the malware from the Program Files folder, type the following in the command prompt. You may also copy this command from the description below and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter on your keyboard to execute the command. If the file is in the Program Data folder, please run this command. You may also copy this command from the description below and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter on your keyboard to execute the command. You may now close the command prompt window and restart the computer. If you are unsuccessful in this procedure, we recommend that you execute the procedure after booting Windows in safe mode. During safe mode, the adware may not load most of its components, making it easier to delete. To begin, press Window key plus R on your keyboard. You will see a Run dialog box. Type msconfig in the field and click OK. In the System Configuration window, click on the Boot tab. Under the boot options, click on Safe Boot and select Network. Click on the Apply button and OK to restart Windows. After booting Windows in safe mode, please do the following. Repeat the procedures numbered 1 and 2. Scan the computer with Microsoft Antivirus. Lastly, reboot Windows in normal mode using procedure number 3. We hope that this tutorial has helped you remove the adware or PUP from the computer. Please hit subscribe and like to support this channel. Thank you for watching.